These are accessories that we shipped with the products. First, the pipe is cut into 4 sections. The first section is connected to the cylinder pressure reducing valve. Connect the other end to a 3-way valve. Connect the other 2 pipes. A pipe connects to the gas inlet valve of antechamber. Another pipe connects to the gas inlet valve of main chamber. Add oil to the vacuum pump through this port. Add to the middle position of the scale line. Connect the pipe to the vacuum pump. Connect the other end to the gas outlet valve of the antechamber. Second, assemble gloves. Pay attention to distinguish between left and right hands. Put the hand cuff into the glove port. Note that you need to pull it on the innermost part. No folds. Sleeve the sealing ring from bottom to top. Check the gloves. Be sure to put it into the slot. Put the experimental items into the box through the side door at one time. Close the side door. Open the cylinder. Adjust pressure reducing valve between 0.3 to 0.5 MPa. Open the box gas inlet bowl valve. Open the box gas outlet bowl valve at the same time. Replace the gas for 20 to 30 minutes. Close the box gas inlet bowl valve. Close the box gas outlet bowl valve. Now we can start the experiment in the box. If during the experiment, need to transfer items to the box, we can deliver through the antechamber. Turn on the vacuum pump. Open the gas outlet bowl valve of the antechamber. Wait for the pressure gauge to -0.1 MPa. Close the gas outlet bowl valve of the antechamber firstly. Then turn off the vacuum pump. Open the gas inlet bowl valve of the antechamber. Wait for the pressure gauge to return to 0. Cycle 10 times. Next, open the inner door of the antechamber. Take the item to the box. Close the inner door. So we can start the experiment.